This video will demonstrate the application of solder mask to a previously repaired circuit trace. Begin by removing any sharp edges or uneven points on the repair with a small scraper. Be careful not to scrape too deep, exposing the circuit trace. Wipe the area with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Follow the manufacturer's directions for mixing the solder mask. Apply the solder mask liquid with a dental pick or other manufacturer-recommended tool. Be sure to cover all exposed areas of the repair. Cure the solder mask according to the manufacturer's instructions. In this video, your instructor is using a UV-cured masking material. This mask application is now complete.